Good evening, friends. Today I have come with a very interesting story. The story of an elephant and a rope. Once a man was traveling through Sri Lanka. There he passed a few camps, huge farmlands where elephants were there. So he thought of visiting one elephant camp. When he entered inside, there were around hundreds of elephants of all sizes, huge, mighty Asian elephants. He noticed there was a thin rope tied to one of the legs of the elephant. He was very surprised. He's such a mighty elephant and they have tied him with just a thin rope, that too only on one feet. And he realized that most of the elephants had this one rope on one foot of theirs. So he called the trainer and he asked him this interesting question. So the trainer replied, when the baby elephants are there, they are just for 6 to 8 months old, a thin rope is tied around their feet. At that tender age, they cannot run out when they are tied with this rope to a pole. And as they start growing up, they believe continuously, this belief system develops into their head that they cannot run out of this place. It is very tough. So though these mighty elephants can cause havoc in a jungle, they cannot run out of a camp because they are tied with a thin rope. Same is the story of us, human mankind. We have immense possibilities, but we have binded ourselves with such thin rope story that we cannot do. The binding is because of some age factor, gender factor, social problems. मेरी उम्र 70 साल की हो गई है तो मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकता. I am a female, so probably I cannot do it. लोग क्या कहेंगे? कोरोना है तो अब बाहर नहीं जा सकते. So these are certain belief patterns that we have binded ourselves with. We need to break this chain. We need to break the chain that the elephants are tied with. Our condition is nothing better than the elephants. A very surprising thing, somebody gave me a call during the day and said, I have never done meditation and I'm 75 years old. Do you think you can help me out? No, this is his belief system. I said, definitely you can do it. He said, but I've never done it. So that is what we have to do. Our brain has immense possibilities. On this universe, when human beings talk, they tell to each other that we are the most evolved beings. But then, have we asked ourselves, though we are the most evolved beings, what is our input into this universe? What are we putting back into this system? We see small insects. Let's take the example of bees. They know it is their job to pollinate. They know it is their job to make honey. And they do it in the best possible manner. The cows know that they have to graze grass and then give milk. They have been doing it from past millions of years. With this crown on our head, we have the immense possibilities of doing anything. But from the past 4 months, we have locked ourselves inside our homes with the constrictive thought process that because of corona, we cannot do anything. We are limiting ourselves to our TVs, to Netflix, to YouTube, not open to the possibilities that the technology can offer to us. Do you think that we are actually utilizing the potential that we should be? We all have a purpose on this earth. Let us find our purpose. Let us do our bit. Let us bring a change to this universe. Let us wonder why we have got so much time. Let us use this time. I hope this video brings a change in someone's thought process, because the whole thing is about our mindset changing. We need to change how we perceive things, how we do things, and how we bring a change to this universe. Thank you.